Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel a flight on Expedia. Whether your plans have changed or you simply need to make adjustments, this process will walk you through canceling your flight booking step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. This will give you access to all your bookings and reservation details. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Trips. Click on it. This section is where all your travel arrangements are stored, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Now navigate to the Booked tab. This will display all your current and upcoming reservations. Although I don't have an active flight to show you in this demonstration, I'll guide you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you're managing your own booking. From your list of trips, select the specific flight booking you want to cancel. Click on it to open up the full reservation details. This is where you'll see all the information about your flight, including dates, times, and passenger details. Next, look for the option that says Manage Booking or Manage Reservation. Click on it. This will open up a menu of actions you can take with this particular booking, giving you control over changes, seat selections, and cancellations. Within the Manage Booking menu, you'll see an option to cancel booking. Go ahead and click on it. This starts the cancellation process and brings you to the next critical stage. At this point, Expedia will display the cancellation details on your screen. Pay close attention here because you'll see any applicable cancellation fees and the refund amount you can expect to receive. Different airlines and fare types have different policies, so it's important to review this information carefully before proceeding. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to move forward, click on Cancel or Confirm Cancellation. This action tells Expedia that you're certain about canceling your flight. After clicking Confirm, you may be asked to follow additional on-screen prompts. For example, Expedia might ask you to enter your reason for cancellation. This is typically used for feedback purposes and helps improve their service. Finally, confirm the final cancellation when prompted. This last step officially processes your cancellation request and submits it to the airline. Once everything is complete, check your email for a confirmation message from Expedia. This email will serve as proof of your cancellation and will include details about any refunds or credits you're entitled to receive. It's a good idea to save this email for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your flight on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.